iOS 27 has introduced a new change to location sharing in your Find My application. I'll show you. Now you can set a custom duration for location sharing in your Find My application instead of just fixed timelines. Now let's say I'm sharing my location like this. I'll just put a random number here. Now, when I click on this button here, it will have these options. Now, some of these options are already there, but now there's a new option, custom there. Just click on custom. Then you say share, because it's not in my phone. It will open up this page, and this page now you can set exactly the time which you want to share your location for. So if it's 3 days, 5 hours, and let's say 9 minutes, as specific as that. So this is quite a good feature, and it was something that was requested for some time as well by many people. It will also show you exactly when that sharing will end. So it will show you the date and the time as well. And when you say start sharing here, it will start sharing that location, just like this. Now, of course, if you want to stop sharing, you just click on this profile like this, and you just go here. It will say stop sharing my location, and you just click here, and it will ask you if you are sure you want to stop sharing, and you can click stop sharing, and it will stop as well. Apple also introduced another functionality for pausing location sharing instead of turning it off completely. So if I click on me and then scroll down on my options and scroll down to share my location, if I try to toggle it off like this, you'll see this message here, turn off location sharing. This will hide location from everyone in Find My and Messages, and people won't be notified when you hide, stop, or resume location sharing. Now there's another option. So it's just turn off completely, right? Or you can hide for today or not now. So hide for today is the option here that we want. What this simply does is it will stop sharing your location for a specific period and will only resume at a specific time frame as well. So this is also another feature which was requested, in the sense that some people might not want to turn off their location services completely. They might just want to hide for a specific period, and then it will resume afterwards. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you also subscribe. Make sure you also watch these other videos on the Find My application.